Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert checkbox in Excel. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to insert checkbox in Excel. You need first you need to find the developer tab here. If you cannot find it, just click File and then here in the bottom Options and then click Customize ribbon and then here click Developer. After that, okay, now here you see Developer. Click on it. After that, click Insert Controls icon and then here Form Control. You see here is the checkbox. Just click on it. Okay, here is the checkbox, and to remove it or to edit the text, right click and then click Edit Text. Okay, and here if you tick, yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to insert checkbox in Excel. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.